Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Lucky in RIBRICKULOUSVILLE. I just wanted to wish everyone a happy Halloween and show off the Halloween mock that I've been working on. I was wondering what happened to my candy bar that I got earlier tonight. But he can go ahead and keep it. I'm not going to ask him back for it. We have a spider just chilling, hanging out. Say cheese. Some jack-o'-lanterns over here. Some trick-or-treaters. Oh, that trick-or-treater looks like he's been there for a while. Oh, happy Halloween. See a bowl full of candy. It looks like he's passing out some bones for our dogs that come trick-or-treating, like this guy. That's nice of him. Oh, and we have some scary trick-or-treaters too. Coming over this side, another set of steps. Rickety, look like they're ready to fall apart. There's Sensei Wu with his trick-or-treat basket, and it looks like he got a chicken for Halloween. That's funny. And coming around the side here, look like we had the grave diggers just digging a fresh grave. Wonder who's in there. Don't want to find out. I tried to do some different looking stonework on the sidewalk, but didn't turn out the way I expected it to. Over here, Mrs. Dracula just got done feeding her mummy, which is back here in the tomb underneath of their house. And now she's coming out front to scare all the guests that are coming to get candy and stuff. I mean, up here on the windows, I actually took the windows from one of my Overwatch sets and stuck them on here. But the glass, I tried that broken glass technique. I think it looks pretty cool. I did it over on this side window as well. And this, I didn't really even put a window. I just like left a hole when I was building it. And I used the tiles I had, or slopes, excuse me, that I had to make the roof. I think it turned out okay. Could have turned out a little better if I'd spent more time on it. But still think it looks pretty cool. Well, anyway, I just wanted to say happy Halloween to everyone, and have a good night. This is Lucky in RIBRICKULOUSVILLE, signing out.